Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a classic American luxury car that often gets overlooked but truly deserves recognition, the 1972 AMC Ambassador. This car represents comfort, elegance, and understated class from an era when American sedans ruled the road. Let's jump right into its full story. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1972 AMC Ambassador carries a long, wide, and confident presence on the road. Its front end features a bold horizontal grille, rectangular headlights, and tasteful chrome details that instantly give it a premium look. The body lines are clean and simple, running smoothly across its long silhouette, and the large wheelbase adds to its executive-style stance. At the rear, the Ambassador has a neat and refined design, showcasing wide tail lamps and minimalistic chrome touches, perfectly representing the luxury styling of the early 70s. Interior. Moving inside, the interior is truly where this car shines. The 1972 Ambassador was built to offer comfort above all else. The cabin is spacious, the seats are soft and generously padded, and the overall layout gives a lounge-like feel. The dashboard is simple yet elegant, featuring wood grain accents, chrome trim, and classic analog gauges. Power steering, air conditioning, plenty of legroom, and soft touch materials all come together to create a relaxing and premium driving environment. AMC designed the Ambassador with a luxury without flashiness mindset, and it absolutely worked. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The 1972 AMC Ambassador came with several strong V8 engine options, including the 304, 360, and the mighty 401 cubic inch V8. These engines provided smooth and steady power, making the Ambassador a comfortable cruiser on the highway. The suspension was tuned for softness, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. This car wasn't built for aggressive driving, it was built for calm, steady, and enjoyable long-distance cruising. The steering and brakes are responsive for its era, giving you a confident and controlled driving experience. In conclusion, the 1972 AMC Ambassador is a beautiful example of understated American luxury. It was designed for people who wanted class and comfort without unnecessary flash. Today, it stands as a collectible gem for anyone who loves classic sedans. With its timeless exterior design, spacious interior, and smooth V8 performance, the Ambassador remains a memorable icon of its time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next classic car showcase.